Hello there. Welcome to this new video where we will show you our new profile management features. Consultants can now easily validate their profiles in a single click. After reviewing your details, you can simply press the Validate Profile button, notifying your manager that the profile is ready. Once validated, a timestamp is added to your profile, indicating when the validation occurred. Furthermore, your manager will receive an email telling them that you have validated your profile. On the manager's dashboard, the profile validation timestamp will be displayed to show when a consultant completed the review. If you're a manager and see that the profile is complete, you can create a new manager validated version and add a comment to it. This new version acts as a snapshot of the profile and cannot be altered by the consultant. Additionally, the consultant will receive an email indicating that the profile has been validated. This step completes the communication loop, ensuring that both parties are informed of the profile status. Managers can also view the validated profiles on the company dashboard, where a blue icon will appear next to the consultants' names. This process can be customized within the company settings of Sprint CV. To enable the Validate Profile button, navigate to your company settings and under the General Settings tab, check the box labeled Show Fast Validate button. This will make the button available on the company dashboard, allowing managers to swiftly validate consultants' profiles. Alternatively, if you want to give your team of consultants the option to validate their profiles, scroll down to the CV subsection and check the box labeled Enable Validate Profile, and select Validate CV from the button action menu. Then, click Save and Next to confirm your changes. The Validate Profile button is a clear improvement on communication and profile management. We hope you use it to its full potential. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate in reaching out to us.